Ever wondered why, out of nowhere, you start hiccuping like a cartoon character? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly spasms. This spasm snaps your vocal cords shut for a split second, creating that classic hic sound. Triggers can be as random as eating too fast, drinking something fizzy, or even a sudden temperature change. Here's the twist. No one actually knows why humans evolved to hiccup. Some scientists think it's a leftover reflex from our amphibian ancestors. Next time you hiccup, blame your inner frog.